In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Vrbo in 2025, step by step. If you want to see rental prices and the currency that makes the most sense for you, Vrbo makes that fairly simple to update. Changing the currency can help you understand pricing more clearly, especially if you're booking from another country or comparing costs while traveling. To get started, go to vrbo.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, you can either log into your account or continue as a guest. Both options should allow you to access the setting you need, so if you don't want to sign in right away, that's perfectly fine. After you're on the Vrbo website, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is important because the currency setting is usually not displayed at the top of the homepage. Many websites place regional preferences like language and currency in the footer area, and Vrbo does the same. Once you reach the bottom, look for the currency or language settings section. Depending on the version of the site you're viewing, this may appear slightly differently, but it should be clearly labeled. Take a moment to find the currency drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a list of available currency options. These may include US dollars, euros, British pounds, and other common currencies. From that list, select the currency you want to use. Choose the one that matches your location or the one you prefer for viewing prices. After selecting your preferred currency, refresh the page so the changes can fully apply. In many cases, the site updates automatically, but refreshing is a good extra step to make sure all displayed prices are shown correctly throughout the site. Once the page reloads, you should start seeing property rates and other price-related details in the currency you selected. This can make browsing much easier and help avoid confusion when you're reviewing nightly rates, taxes, or additional fees. If you don't see the change right away, try scrolling again or navigating to another listing page to confirm the update took effect. Sometimes website settings take a moment to reflect across every page. And that's all it takes to change currency on Vrbo. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make your booking experience much smoother and easier to understand.